Hey guys, here's a video on showing you how to open your Xbox 360 controller. So let's turn it around. You need this thing called a torx screwdriver. Make sure it's long enough to fit in the hole. But I don't know if you can see this. There, that little star thing, and they have pins on them. So it's kind of hard to find the screwdriver, but what I did is I went to Ace Hardware and we found a whole set of torx for 15 bucks. They have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But really, you only need 7, I think. Or no, you need torx 8. I'm pretty sure it's either 7 or 8. It's one of those. But, so here, let me try. Here's torx 7. Trying to do this with one hand. And let's see if it fits. Nope. So you need torx 8, but, sometimes you need smaller ones, and sometimes you need bigger ones, just depending on the screws. Like, I've had some, like this one, that's hidden behind the label. That's a torx 9, I think, or 8. Let me check. Yeah, this one's a little messed up. So this one for me needs a torx 9. That's why I got a whole set, just in case. So as it fits in there, and you can just loosen it. So that's what you need. Again, it's torx. T-O-R-X. And they're pretty hard to find. And I would suggest getting a set like this because they're long enough. The thing is long enough. Right here. And yeah. It was only 15 bucks. Pretty good deal.